Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health and lives. Friends, my today's video is creative and unique in itself, like my all previous videos, because in this video I am sharing a wide variety, simple and easy and beginner friendly and highly attractive design ideas of how you can design beautiful and creative neckline designs for your dresses, how you can design your kurti, kameez, shirts, gowns, tops, peplum for your e-dresses for any type of festive occasion, and more creativity as well. But before going into the further details, do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. You can use any type of fabric for making these very beautiful and easy to make embroidery patterns. For making them a more formal look, you can use cotton satin, you can use silk, raw silk, hemos, and other type of silky fabrics as well. So I hope that you have enjoyed my ideas, you have liked the concept. So do try these patterns, make your dresses at home, be a designer of your own at a very low cost with a very beautiful and highly attractive designer pattern ideas. So meet you soon, stay connected.